Welcome to our channel. Today we how to apply for a Bank of America Cash Rewards card. Online guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on a phone or computer with a stable internet connection. Type Bank of America.com in the address bar and make sure the site address is correct. On the home page, find the credit card section and click to view available cards. Locate the customized cash rewards card and click Learn More or View Details. Read the key benefits, cashback categories, and any promotional APR details on the page. Click the Apply Now button to start the online application. If asked, choose whether you are an existing Bank of America customer or a new customer. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your government ID. Enter your date of birth and social security number where required for identity verification. Provide your current home address and confirm how long you have lived there. Add your phone number and email address so the bank can contact you about your application. Select your employment status such as employed, self-employed, student, retired, or unemployed. Enter your employer name and job title if you are employed or self-employed. Type your total annual gross income, including eligible income sources you can document. Enter your monthly housing payment, such as rent or mortgage, as accurately as possible. If the form asks, indicate whether you have access to additional income and follow the instructions carefully. Choose whether you want to add an authorized user and be ready to provide their information if needed. Review the card's terms, rates, fees, and rewards rules by opening the disclosures link. Confirm you understand how the 3% category choice works and how to change it later if applicable. Check that every field is correct, especially your SSN, address, and income figures. Look for any optional offers and select only what you actually want to enroll in. Complete any identity verification steps, such as security questions or a one-time code. Read the consent and electronic communications agreements before you proceed. Tick the required confirmation boxes stating your information is truthful and complete. Click Submit to send the application to Bank of America for review. Watch for an instant decision message, which may be approved, pending, or needing more information. If the status is pending, follow the on-screen instructions and check your email for next steps. After approval, note your credit limit and expected card delivery time. Then set up online banking to manage the account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.